Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix can't follow people on Instagram. So let me now tell you what are the basic reasons why you are unable to follow people on Instagram. So first of all, Instagram has now made a new policy in which Instagram limits your account if you reach out to 7500 following. So you guys can see I have just 51 following. So whenever it comes to 7500, then I cannot be able to follow more people. So if I want to follow more people on Instagram, so for that I have to just simply go to my following and I have to unfollow some of the people which I don't want to follow. So after unfollowing those people, then you guys can able to add more people, unless you have 7500 people. So here is the first reason. Here is the first reason, and the second reason is if you want to follow a people, lots of people on Instagram, what you guys have to do is you guys have to make sure that on daily basis you guys can follow just 200 people maximum. If you are following more people, then it will cause you to the suspension of your account, or Instagram will restrict your account. So you have to make sure that you have to follow on the daily basis, you have to follow maximum of 200 people. And secondly, if you are using Instagram at the same time, and at the same time you are following too much people, like more than 20 people, then it can also cause the restriction of your account, and you guys cannot be able to follow more people on Instagram. So at the same time, like at a specific instance, you have to just simply follow 20 people maximum. So you have to make sure that whenever you're following like lots of people, you have to make sure that your count will be 20. If you are reaching maximum than 20, then it can cause the suspension or restriction of your account, and in this way Instagram cannot allow you to follow people on Instagram. So you have to just simply follow these steps and you guys can good to go. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.